Hello again, guys. My name is Andrew, of course, and today we have this lovely product. It is from the 80s, if I remember correct. That was the time that my father was purchased this item. Well, this is the Kodak EK160EF instant camera, made in USA, of course. Yeah. The good old days that all the things at manufacturing in the country that we want, not only in China. Well, let's move on. I just harvest this from my basement. Yes, you can imagine what you can find in your basement. Well, and let's start with reviewing this lovely Kodak instant camera. In the first look, we have the lens here. From the other side, we can see that we can put our eyes here and look what we want to shoot. And the lens, we get the picture. Here, we can manage to make it darker or lighten with this button. We have some sensitive area here that is recognize how much light is outside. Here we have the button that the push it takes the photo. From downside, here it goes the cassette, but I'm not sure how many photos you can instant take with one cassette. If I remember, it's 15. Yeah, correct. Please leave a comment to say the correct answer. Here goes the batteries. We have 4 triple 2A batteries. I have put some rechargeable batteries. It works fine. Here it says it's ready. We have the light that says it's ready when you are putting a cassette inside. If you are trying to pull out the flash, you will hear a noise. That means it's charging. And after a few seconds, what says here? Close flash between pictures to increase battery life. Oh, these battery lives, everything is about battery life. Flash range 1.2 to 3 meters or 4 to 10 feet. And let's see if it will work. Oh yeah. Just close it to save battery. Well, you see, it's very huge. Of course, it's an 80s. Very huge. Wow. And now we have phones, smartphones, and it is 10% of this product. Our smartphone takes faster pictures, doing faster things with video, shooting modes of pictures. Well, technology is going further, and definitely that's good for us. It's a vintage product, of course. What else can be? And I was feeling the need to reviewing this product, and thanks my father that someday was purchasing this to have the opportunity to review it. Well, guys, that was all my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Many videos in the future are coming. Hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss it. My channel is all about technology and tools in my everyday life. And share this video. You never know who may need it. Someone may find it useful. Thank you again. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.